The Little Bird and the Stuck Squirrel.
Once upon a time, in a quiet forest, there lived a little bird named Bella was building her nest. When she heard a loud cry, she flew down and saw a squirrel named Sammy stuck in a hole. "Help me, Bella!" cried Sammy. Bella didn't know how to help, but she said, "I'll try my best." She flew to a nearby tree and called her bird friends. Together, they gathered twigs and leaves to create a small rope. They dropped it into the hole, and Sammy grabbed it. With all their effort, they pulled Sammy out. "Thank you, Bella," said Sammy. Bella smiled. When someone is in trouble, it's kind to help. Moral: helping others makes the world a better place.